Isolated footings, also known as pad footings or spread footings, are used to support and distribute the loads of a column to the underlying soil. The design of isolated footing involves determining the size of the footing based on the loads from the structure. In this lecture, I am going to discuss how to prepare the bar bending schedule of a single mesh isolated footing. In an isolated footing, we use steel bars both in X and Y directions. To make sure the steel bars stick well to the concrete, we bend them at 90-degree angle at both the ends. Let's discuss how to prepare the bar bending schedule of an isolated footing. The number of bars will be calculated by using the formula. After doing all the calculations, this is how you should prepare the table of bar bending schedule for this footing. In an isolated footing, we use steel bars both in X and Y directions. Usually, these bars are the same size and spaced out evenly in both directions. However, sometimes we might need to change the size and spacing based on the calculations and design needs. If the design calls for extra reinforcement, we put another layer of steel on top of the footing. To make sure the steel bars stick well to the concrete, we bend them at 90-degree angle at both the ends. We also need to leave some space, that's clear cover, around the bars on the top, bottom and sides. The clear cover needed depends on the specific site conditions. Usually, we keep a minimum cover of 50 mm in footings.